Welcome to this ChatGPT masterclass. Today, we are not going to discuss ChatGPT as a trend. We are going to study it as a professional tool because the real opportunity is not in simply asking ChatGPT random questions. The real opportunity is in using it to save time, improve quality, increase output, and build services that people are willing to pay for. So in this lecture, I will show you three things. First, what ChatGPT actually does in practical professional work. Second, the most realistic ways to make money with it. And third, how to use it properly so that your work looks professional, trustworthy, and market ready. Let us begin. Many people first approach ChatGPT with curiosity. They ask it simple questions. They test it for fun. They ask it to write a poem, tell a joke, or explain a topic. But professionals use it differently. They use it to accelerate work. They use it to brainstorm ideas faster, to structure content more clearly, to draft articles, scripts, emails, proposals, and reports, to improve research, to support coding and website work, and to turn knowledge into deliverables. That is the key shift. If you see ChatGPT only as entertainment, it remains a novelty. If you see it as a productivity engine, it becomes a business tool. ChatGPT does not automatically create money. What it creates is leverage. And leverage means this: you can go from idea to first draft faster. From rough notes to structured output faster, from confusion to clarity faster, and from blank page to client-ready material faster. That matters because in the digital economy, people pay for useful outcomes. They pay for good writing, they pay for strong communication. They pay for videos, websites, content calendars, product descriptions, summaries, proposals, presentations, and educational materials. So when ChatGPT helps you produce those things more efficiently, it increases your earning capacity, not by replacing skill, but by multiplying skill. Let me now show you 5 practical ways to make money with ChatGPT. These are not fantasy methods. These are realistic working models. Number 1, content creation. Number 2, blogging and SEO writing. Number 3, freelancing services. Number 4, coding and website support. And number 5, digital products and education. If you understand these 5 paths properly, you can choose one and start building around it immediately. The first major opportunity is content creation. This includes YouTube videos, short-form videos, podcasts, newsletters, LinkedIn posts, course lessons, and educational explainers. The biggest challenge for most creators is not editing. It is not even recording. The biggest challenge is consistency. People do not know what to talk about. This is where ChatGPT becomes powerful. You can ask it to help you generate topic ideas. You can ask it to create an outline. You can ask it to write a lesson script. For example, instead of saying, write a video script, a professional prompt would be, act as an expert educator and YouTube strategist. Write a 7-minute teaching script on beginner mistakes. Now notice what happened. You did not just ask for content. You asked for role, purpose, structure, audience, and style. That is how professionals use ChatGPT. The second path is blogging and SEO content. Businesses need articles, websites need landing page copy, brands need product descriptions. But there is an important rule here. You should not copy and paste blindly. Professional blogging is not about producing robotic text. It is about producing useful content. So the right use of ChatGPT is this: use it for structure, use it for idea expansion, use it for headline options, use it for first drafts, then you refine with human judgment. The third path is freelancing. This is where many people can start immediately. You do not need to begin by building a full company. You can begin by offering a focused service. ChatGPT helps because it reduces the time required to produce a strong first draft. That means you can serve more clients, deliver faster, and standardize your workflow. Instead of starting from zero, you can ask ChatGPT, create 5 thought leadership LinkedIn posts for a business executive. Tone, authoritative, clear, practical. Now you have a draft set. Then you edit for originality, personality, and relevance. This is the model. AI helps with speed. You add taste, strategy, and trust. The fourth path is coding and web support. Even if you are a beginner, ChatGPT can help you understand code, generate snippets, and troubleshoot basic problems. ChatGPT can help you draft website copy, rewrite user interface text, and prepare contact page wording. It can also help you explain technical work to non-technical clients. The fifth path is one of the most scalable: digital products and education. Once you understand a topic, ChatGPT can help you package that knowledge into products. For example, prompt libraries, business templates, study notes, lesson plans, training manuals, checklists, guides, mini ebooks, and workshop outlines. This is where AI becomes powerful, not only for services, but for assets. And assets can be sold more than once. Now, let me tell you the real secret. Most people fail because they ask weak questions. The problem is not always the tool. Very often, the problem is the prompt. A strong prompt usually includes 5 parts: role, task, context, format, and quality standard. For example, act as a professional business writer. Write a 1,000-word article for small business owners on customer trust. Use simple English and a confident tone. This is far better than simply write article. So if you want better income from ChatGPT, do not only learn the tool, learn how to instruct the tool. That is the real skill. Now we must be honest and professional. ChatGPT is powerful, but it must be used responsibly. Always verify facts, especially when the topic is technical, legal, or financial. Do not upload confidential client information. Do not present raw AI text as finished work. In the long term, careless work damages trust. The winners will be those who combine AI speed with human judgment and ethics. So what should you do next? Here is a simple action plan. Choose one monetization path, not 5. 1. Choose one niche that you understand. Create 3 sample outputs using ChatGPT as your assistant. Then improve them manually. Make them look professional, readable, and useful. After that, offer one clear service. Offer one focused service such as I write educational YouTube scripts or I create SEO blog articles. Clarity sells better than vagueness. Then refine your process every week. ChatGPT is not a substitute for ambition, discipline, or expertise, but it is a remarkable force multiplier. If you are serious, it can help you deliver more value. Thank you for watching this ChatGPT masterclass. If you found this lecture useful, stay with the series. I will see you in the next lecture.